No.
Train's bringing in the soldiers, Ryan. It's got soldiers. Bringing in the bad guys.
Draw pistols, they're going to holster their carbines and drive forward with their pistols ready to shoot down the artillerymen if they can. Here they come. Go ahead and cheer for the rebels if you want to.
On the other side.
So formal. Get off the train now.
Range of the pistols was only about 30 or 40 feet, so they had to get pretty close. Federal infantry is embarking from the train, arriving hopefully just in time to keep their cannons from being captured by the Confederate cavalry. But look to your left, folks, and you see trouble on the horizon. The Confederate infantry, first troop has arrived from the far inland, and they're here to get started. These men and women work with their horses all the time to get them to sound.
They call that guy Smokey.
I wonder how smoke rings get formed. Whoa, those chains is the guy from the Green Slate now.
Pretty jumpy.
And if you were lucky enough to have a little few more troops, try to get on the flank of the enemy, on the side of the enemy's line, and enfilade their flank, as these pistols are, where you shoot down the rank, which is very dangerous. And nobody could, no line.
Which team are you voting
That's a
for?
certain way to lose.
I'm a transplant. I started just north and I came to the south, so I'm a transplant. So I say the south.
Like standing right there together.
Who are you for?
I don't know. I don't even know what's out here playing.
bringing some
You
of
got
their cannons, their
Confederate.
lighter cannons
You got
forward as
Union.
well.
Uh-oh.
Means that one man can pull the horses of the other three.
Keep listening to these things. There goes another ring of fire.
Close half rank. Instead, they fight in skirmish order, which is spread out. That way, they make less charges. They can do less damage, but it's a way of feeling out the enemy to see how many guns the enemy has without causing great damage to yourself. So they're spread out at about 5 or 6 yards from each other, while the other men hold their horses. This is a skirmish line in the center here. We get our image from that word skirmish.
James and Mark are watching this.
Go ahead and cheer for the Yankees if you feel like it. Making sure you...
Cheer for the Yankees if you want.
He is. Every time, any shot. What? Well, he's doing.
Uh-huh.
Now watch him for charge.
The powder and the shot has to be put in the front of the gun, the muzzle.
You're fired.
Oh.
British and how they look like British soldiers down there.
Not even if they're
Sure wasn't
simulated,
British.
because we don't put anything but gunpowder in the muzzle of our rifle. Generally, we don't even put paper in because we don't want anything coming out that hurt us. So we don't use the
No cell
ramrod.
phone. Hey, I guess another one.
Just a safety procedure. Normally, the soldiers would use the ramrods. Here comes the Union cavalry. Troopers from the 2nd floor and the colored cavalry. Doing the classic chemical maneuvers. Line forward, shoot a couple of shots, right away. I was asked beforehand today why they stood in close range, shoulder to shoulder, and fought that way. Well, it was for the sake of courage, for a lot of it. You feel the touch of your comrade's elbow on your right or left. You didn't feel like you were out there all alone, facing the enemy. Also, these are people who grew up, they come from all over the country. They came from your city or your county or your town or your farm. So that could be your uncle or your brother or your father.
He's not a happy horsey out there.
Second part of the question was, why did they stand? Because the soldier had to load and fire the rifle as quickly as he could. And that meant standing to load and fire